Cancer. This is your channel messages for the not the 11th, the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, this is your channel song. Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, give it to me. Dangerous, I'm loving, baby. Too high, can't come down. Losing my head, spinning round and round. Do you feel me now? When the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. Your toxic tongue slipping under mine. The taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? Oh God, right. So I'm getting your toxic. Cancer, are you toxic? I'm getting taste of your lip, side on a ride. Your toxic tongue slipping under mine. The taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? I'm getting Cancer. You know this. You know you're toxic as fuck. And if this is not you, I'm getting you're a guy. You toxic, bro. You emotional, you toxic, and you always, what is, a blame game this? I'm getting you always pointing the fucking finger. Pointing the finger like a fucking, like you're giving directions. Okay, let's just go ahead and go into your channel messages, Cancer. So I'm getting you or someone you know, something you know, or I'm getting something is getting toxic. Boy, you love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? Okay, so we have the 7 of Wands. So yeah, I'm getting someone's toxic. And I don't mean in a sexual way. I'm getting someone so toxic, the whole crowd is now catching up to them. I'm getting someone has no friends. Maybe they expect you to defend them right now. I'm getting, no, bro, you are toxic to me too. Something is toxic. Okay, 7 of Wands. I'm getting Sagittarius energy. Could be Aries as well. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer. We got the angel. We have Sagittarius coming out first. So maybe somebody wanted to make it seem you were toxic. I'm getting you were pretty chill, relaxed, calm. Somebody might have wanted people to believe that you're the aggressor. I'm getting you will defend your turf, but you ain't aggressing anybody. Or someone's mixing you up with another violent Sagittarius. I'm getting that's not you. You're the Sagittarius who doesn't talk. The one who usually turn them back to people and have them head down, that's you. We're getting somebody else is very confrontational. We have a 7 of Wands. I'm getting something was blamed on. Me getting, alright, so we have 77. Me getting you, me getting 2 Sagittarius. Somebody blame some type of theft on you. I'm getting something about a male and a female Sagittarius. The man thief and him blame it upon the female. Me getting on the female, the angel, the real female angel, she took the fall for this theft. What this other Sagittarius did. Or me getting the Sagittarius, people are come down upon you, so me getting your panic and say, is this Temperance stole it? The angel stole it. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Something about this Leo. Me getting you saying that this woman should teach something from this Leo man or this other. Me getting Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Me getting a fight is being broken out because of what this man tea from this woman or something like that. What the fuck is that? Oh, sorry. Somebody left their phone up here. It's just ringing. I was like creeped out. I'm like, what the fuck is that sound? Nobody's here. I left the phone. Anyways, yeah, something about what this angel steal from this man, and me getting you, like you co-sign the story. The devil card, yes, something, me getting something. Me getting you and one Leo. You and one Leo I hide this big ass lie about this angel, this Sagittarius woman stealing something. Or me getting at the Leo steal it from her. You leave something for a Sagittarius woman, me getting the Leo to thief it from her. Maybe I left something in a mailbox. Me getting the Leo got to the mailbox before the woman did and thief it. It could be a check. Maybe. The Hierophant. So me getting this is about someone's ex. Me getting a Sagittarius over here. Me don't know if them, okay, so this could be them set up you over here. Me getting somebody ex that set up you. The Sagittarius over here, them have to defend themselves. Why? We don't know. Me getting something about defense. You have to, a lot of people attack you. Something about either what this woman stole or what you say she steal. Now me getting nothing like that never happened. You were covering for somebody. So you're covering for her ex? Me getting you cover for that girl ex. Or somebody this girl used to be with. Me getting she used to be with this Leo man. The Leo man now let her go. She probably is married to him or she wasn't married to him because there's a bind here. Or the Leo man ask you for lie and me getting you dead. But me getting everything I come back on you now. Yeah, the grave. Are you was supposed to tell a lie for somebody? You never know that somebody would have gotten hurt. Or me getting a Leo is telling you that this woman died. She never dead. Me getting you pissed, cause when Leah tell you that this woman dead. Me don't know if the Leah tell you that so you could stop looking for her. But me getting something was like some theft thing was blame on her. And the Leah ask you for lie and then you lie. But before you know it, she got missing or something about this marriage. Like, me don't know if you lie and say, yeah, she did get married to this Leah man. And me getting you tell the lie because you had to keep a secret. The person never got married to this dirty man. Me getting you and the man was friends and you had to cover your ass. Or y'all's ass for whatever this is, whatever theft this is. Me getting one big lie say you're getting married. Them say you're getting married. Whoever you got married to, me getting you never married a person. Maybe something was staged for someone else to believe so them could have back off. Nobody got married. Last time I got married was in Jamaica. And I don't think I'll be getting married ever again. Celebrity, yeah. I outgrown the life I've wanted to be service to a man. No, I'll just follow my dreams, make mad money, sign bitches' titties, massage men's ass, and I'm gonna just be on my motherfucking way. I used to want to be a girlfriend and a wife and want to be happy and, you know, have that dream. But once that dream shattered, you found out, whoa, there was way more to life than this so-called dream I wanted. Why did I ever want that dream? Was that a dream I wanted, or was that the dream that the guy wanted for me? Yeah, I ain't into that now. Right now, I'm just gonna be like, I said, do you love me? I told him only partly. I only love my bed. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the only thing. Man, fuck that, man. Yeah. Scorpio. Okay, I might, maybe I might settle down first. I can balance the two. I could balance the Scorpio and balance this. I could do that. I can balance it. I'm not saying I had to choose. I'm just saying that it's not my, like, that's not what I want to do anymore. I don't even know why would I want to do it. Scorpio and celebrity. We have awards. We have the strength card, which could also be Leo. We have forbidden fruit. And we have the lovers card, Gemini. Or I'm getting this Leo man can't let you go. Maybe this Capricorn can't let you go. Either way, I'm getting you were asked to cover a lie, and apparently the lie got someone seriously harmed. It wasn't your intention. I'm sure Eve's intention wasn't abominating humanity either. I'm gonna leave it here, Cancer. Until next time, bye.